In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Make. This will assist you in automating your workflow efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to the Make website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Make dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the starting point for creating your automated tasks. Next, find and click on the Create Scenario button. This step is crucial as it begins the process of setting up your automation with Mailchimp. Once you've clicked the button, a new window will appear, presenting you with a search bar. Go ahead and type in Mailchimp. This is the tool we'll be connecting to Make, so it's important to select it precisely. After typing in Mailchimp, click on it in the list below. You'll see a variety of options concerning Mailchimp. For now, simply click on the Create a Campaign option. This choice allows you to begin setting up your campaign within Mailchimp using Make's platform. Now you'll notice an option to create a connection. Click on it to begin establishing the link between Make and Mailchimp. A new window will pop up, prompting you to continue with Google to authorize Mailchimp. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with this step. There will be a request for you to click on Allow. This grants permission for Make to access and interact with your Mailchimp account. Ensure you're comfortable with these permissions before proceeding. Once you've authorized this connection, you'll be taken back to the Make interface. Next, input a campaign title. This title will help identify your campaign easily in future interactions within both Make and Mailchimp. Following this, click on Simply Steps or an alternative option for selecting a list ID. This determines which email list within Mailchimp will receive your campaign. Now, input the subject line for your emails. This is what your recipients will see first and should be engaging and relevant. Afterward, you'll need to provide the From name. This is the name that will appear in the recipient's inbox, so make sure it accurately represents you or your organization. Following this, input the From email address. This should be a valid and recognizable email from which the recipients can expect communications. Finally, if you have no additional settings to configure, go ahead and click on Save. This action ensures that all your configurations are properly stored and ready to execute. And there you have it. We've successfully connected Mailchimp to Make. By following this guide, you'll be able to streamline your email campaigns with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.